hoping you can see this. Hey guys, welcome back. What's up, subbies, and what's up, newbies? That's everybody checking me out for the very first time. I appreciate it. Come on in and satisfy your curiosity and come on in. Okay, so today, you see my hair is looking kind of crazy, so you know what that means. That means we're going to do some hair today. Yeah, baby. So think 70s style. That's what we're going to get into today. Okay, so think like Farrah Fawcett and Charlie's Angels. Think Jane Kennedy, okay, with her long hair and how she used to sometimes swoop it back. Think a whole bunch of feathers and fullness and curls. That's what we're going to get into today. We're all about the 70s, baby. Can you dig it? Okay, I hope you can, because that's what we about to do. So, got the flat iron pumping. It's on. It's ready to rock and roll. So let's get right into it. I'm going to do the flippity flip. I have my trusty heat thermal spray. So let's get right to it. So I'm going to be looking at the mirror from time to time just to make sure my curls are all in line, okay? So this is what we about to do. We're going to do the do and see it through. Okay, so I'm going to part. Together. I'm going to take piece by piece, and we're going to do some curls. I haven't done this in a long time, but hopefully these curls come out looking okay. All right, so we are going to start at the bottom. When I normally do my hair, I start from the top to the bottom, but for these curls, I like to go from the bottom to the top. And I sort of do my parts sort of at an angle, okay? So I start off the same way. I'm gonna flat iron it first, make sure it's straight. And I'm going to curl it, starting underneath. Let's see if I remember how I did this. Okay. So you see that curl? That's just one. Don't get nervous. That's just one. So I'm going to reinforce this curl. I have curlers, hard curlers. I don't have the soft ones yet. I didn't get them yet, but I'm going to try and get them. But I want to reinforce the curl as I go. And all I have are the hard curlers. So we're just going to pin it up as we go, and then we'll smooth it on out and make everything look cool. Okay. Put a little bobby pin in it. And keep moving. Yeah, I used to do this a long time ago as a protective style. See that curl? So I'm gonna grab another curler. I'm gonna reinforce the curl with the curler. Okay, I think we got two more over here. Let's try and do two more. But yeah, I used to do this as a protective style because once I curled it, at night, I would just put the hard curlers on it, which, yes, wasn't comfortable to sleep in. But I didn't have to comb it. Look at that. Okay, so these curls are turning out like TNT. Come on now. Come on. But yeah, I used to use this I used to wear this style as a protective style because it kept me from having to comb my hair all the time, you know, and that way you're not manipulating your hair, especially with the new growth. And right now I have enough new growth for it to really sit out a little bit, you know what I mean? So now that the curls, they should look full once I'm done. Hopefully, if I remember how to, I think we're doing okay. But have the curls look really full and the new growth sort of sit out the curls a little bit, if that makes any sense. Just make it look fuller. I'm just going to show you the gist of what I'm doing, and hopefully it will come out the way that I want it to come out. All right, so it's a little fuzzy, it's not as, but remember, we're going to work our way through it. And I'm going to split it down the middle, and hopefully yes, I will show you the back, and everything's going to be flipped this way towards the middle. That's how I'm going to work it. But I have a lot of growth, guys, lots of growth. And I'm going to keep the bangs, and I'm going to swoop them over. I'm going to cook. You'll see what I'm going to do. Okay, so we are finished curling. Let's take these curlers out. So this is what we're looking like right now with just the curls, okay? We're going to put you already know the deal. We're gonna put some Paul Mitchell, run that through it. I'm running out of this recovery. I'm so upset because they don't make it anymore. They changed the formula. Talk about it later. And we're gonna finish it off. So put a little bit of the serum, put a little bit of the drops. Oh, come on. And I'm just going to run my hand through it right now. Make sure I get those ends. Those edges. Make sure those edges are taken care of. Get these. I'm going to get these edges really quickly. That's the serum. I'm going to put a little bit of the Pump It Up. Now this. But because I have a lot of new growth, you see how it sort of sits out a little fuller? I guess it's not fair for me to say that without a comparison, because it's not like I've done it before with freshly relaxed hair. But this is a style that I like to use, that I used to use as a protective style. Again, because once I curl it at night, I would roll it up on the hard curler. So that was like the one really big con, because everybody knows it's not very comfortable to sleep in hard curlers. But I'm working on that, okay? I'm gonna try and get the foam curlers and use that instead. But anyway, put it up in curlers. I don't have to comb it. I take the curlers out in the morning. I might zhuzh it a little bit on the sides. The curls sort of hang, and I just wear it throughout the week. I wouldn't have to comb it, wouldn't have to worry about recurling it or putting any heat in it. So this is a protective style that I like to, this was like my go-to. This and crimping my hair. Because again, once I got sick of wearing my hair in ponytails, and if there's anybody out there who's sick of it, like I was sick of it, then I just wanted to show you guys some alternatives to tucking your hair away, either under a wig or in braids or in a ponytail. Because again, there's nothing wrong with protective styles, nothing at all. That we've all used them because they're very useful in growing our hair and keeping our hands out of our hair. But it's also okay to show off your crown. Okay? It's okay to show off your crown. In fact, it's fantastic. It's good for you to sort of check in with yourself, see where your hair is, and actually wear it out. You know, I know a lot of people, their goal is maybe just to grow their hair. Maybe they just have a goal to grow it long. They're not worried about styling it or necessarily wearing it out. Maybe that's just their personal goal, just to grow it long. My thing is that I want the whole shebang. I want to grow it long. I want it to be thick. I want it to be healthy. And I also want to wear my hair. I love wearing it because I feel like if I put all the effort into it, I want to be able to wear it. And the reason why I want it healthy and long is so I can wear my hair out and it be at its best. And I missed one piece back here, but it's okay. I'll take care of it. I like to reinforce the curls as I go along. The curlers were a little cumbersome, I will admit. I think I'm a little rusty right now because I don't think that's how I did it initially. I think I just let it fall, and then at night, that's when I put the curls in, or the curlers in, and then that next day it just sits up just right. But also the last time that I did this style, I didn't have the heat spray either. I was just using, I believe, just the Paul Mitchell. And as I said before, the heat spray gives me more hold. So that wasn't too bad, right? Just wanted to show you guys some options. Again, everything doesn't have to be tucked away. We can wear our crown while we are trying to get down as far as getting our hair healthy. And curls shining and get our ultra sheen on and our soul glow too, because we keeping it foxy and brown up in here. I think I used all the 70s verbiage I can possibly think of right now, but anyway, you get my drift, right? All right, so it's okay, wear your crown. I think I'm gonna wear this another day or so. I may come back and show you guys. It'll probably pretty much look the same. I don't think it's different. jump back, Jack, because these curls are hanging and swinging. Hello. So anyway, thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know down below. Otherwise, we will be back and we'll be talking about some more stuff. So you make sure you come on back because you already know it's going to be the same Dolce dial and it's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back. Can you dig it? I knew that you could.